Ajarishi. Uh, Whenever thinking is going on or any self-talk, it is coming from I am doing something, the doership. So everything is rooted in like every thought. It's like my the doer is always there. So it doesn't seem like it will go away. So
The doer is obsessed with doing. All right. Then give it something else to do. Give it something impersonal to do. Give it something special to do. Give it something that will dissolve it. Give it an impossible task. Involve it in a suicide mission. Do not let it be engaged in the daily trivia of life. It's not needed there. Unless you have a mammoth project, you will find yourself wallowing in the daily dirt of mundane existence. Give yourself something so tremendously challenging to do that all your infatuation with doing disappears.
it's like very compulsive thinking. Even when I'm asleep, I wake up like I realize that I woke up around 5, but I'll be in semi-sleep state, but thought is going on continuously. And, sometimes I get very irritated and all that, but too much thought activity, like how to.
With too little depth. Yeah, that you forgot to add deliberately. Hmm? If you reduce the depth of something, the thickness of something, over how much area can you spread it? There is some plastic here. Hmm? Potentially this plastic can be converted into a film that covers the entire surface area of the floor here. It's just that the film has to be thin enough. So if thought is thin enough, it can take great aerial expansion. And then you will say, oh, I think too much. But what kind of thought is this? Flimsy and filmsy. No depth. And therefore, great spread, great extent. Give it depth. Start thinking for a change. You don't think at all. That's what. Random thoughts keep floating because you don't channelize them. Since they keep floating, since they keep coming to you, obviously not because they want to come to you, because you invite them, why not honor your invitation? Why not engage them? Does it befit you to invite somebody to your home and then not engage him? Those thoughts hover in your mind space because, first of all, you invite them. Don't say, oh, they come on their own. Now that they come, talk to them. What is it all about? What is the problem? Thought is essentially a problem solving mechanism. If they have come over, then let's discuss the root problem that they seek to address. What is it that you want? What is the entire thinking about? What lies at the core of all thought?
Yesterday you were saying, Mukti is the finality for every being. So, like, what did you actually mean?
Forget it. You will not get it the way you are approaching it. It is not the finality.
No, I'm not interested in it.
Out of disinterest, you are asking.
I'm asking because, uh, like, is this evolution of consciousness? Like, I want to know. Just curiosity. Nothing like that.
You have one life. You have to accomplish it within the limited time frame. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen, then you just take that it won't happen. There is no need to believe that there is an ultimate liberation guaranteed for every being. There is no need to believe that way.
And if man has come from animal, like, when did this possibility, potential for has arisen in man?
At some point,
And why is that very few people actually?
what?
Like, why is a guru very rare?
Might not be so rare. Maybe your moments of love for the Guru are rare. Therefore, you feel as if the Guru is rare. Maybe if you are full of love, then you will find the Guru ubiquitous.